Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between multiple Claude projects efficiently using the simple workspace methods. This is the best way to jump back and forth between different work folders on your display screen without getting lost, losing your text place, or wasting time retyping your context. Step 1. Open your main left sidebar panel view. The first step is to bring up your main navigation dashboard layout on your screen so you can see all your active project rooms listed in one place. Move your hand to your mouse, slide your cursor over to the far top left corner of your website display window, and click on the small menu icon that looks like a stack of horizontal lines to open the panel rows. Look at the menu canvas list that slides open against your background view and locate the section specifically labeled Projects to see your current workspace maps. Because the application keeps your active project folders collapsed out of view by default to keep your screen looking clean during daily reading tasks, opening this main list gives you a clear master layout map of all your independent project rooms so you can select your next path instantly. Step 2. Pin your most frequent projects to the top row on your screen canvas rows for fast access. Move your mouse pointer over the specific project folder name you use the most, look for the three dots icon that looks like a star on the right side of that text row, and click it firmly with your mouse button. Confirm that the chosen folder jumps straight to the top section of your sidebar into a dedicated, permanent shortcut view. Because as you build more workspaces for your different business tasks, your list will grow very long and push your important folders off the bottom of the screen. Pinning your active folders creates an immediate shortcut line that bypasses the long scroll, allowing you to move between your core tasks without hunting through a massive directory row. Step 3. Keep multiple browser tabs open for parallel tasks. The final step is to open your separate project rooms inside their own independent internet browser windows so you can look at them side by side on your monitor view. Right-click on your second project folder name inside your sidebar list, select the option that says Open Link in New Tab from your browser drop-down menu, and arrange the two display windows side by side on your monitor view. Look at your monitor canvas rows to ensure that each tab holds its own live project datasheet, allowing you to copy text lines from one room and paste them right into the other, because it removes the need to constantly load and unload your display views. By utilizing separate browser tabs, your computer holds the active memory records for both projects alive at the same time. You can work on two entirely separate business tasks simultaneously without resetting your chat streams. Your multi-project setup is completely finished, and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To switch between multiple Claude projects efficiently, you first open your main left sidebar panel view to see your complete workspace list on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the list rows to pin your most frequent projects to the top section on your screen canvas rows for fast access. Finally, you open multiple independent browser tabs to run your projects side by side to unlock your parallel workspace tracking safely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.